Congratulations! You found the Santu Pirls Stock Market Commentary for market week ending Friday, February 20th, 2015. Market breadth. With this past week's market advance, our bull-bear point and figure ratio rose from 1.32 to 1.49, advancing further into bullish territory. The total count of securities in bullish or bearish patterns rose 7% to 3,015. The count of bearish stocks decreased fractionally, while the count of stocks in bullish patterns increased 13%. The Santu Pirls P&F Market Breadth Summary Chart shows us a market now 3 consecutive weeks in bullish territory. Paid subscribers have access to the Open Office Calc data from which the chart is generated. You may become a paid subscriber by visiting s2pmarketsignal.com, clicking the Membership tab, and clicking Sign Up. For those who are interested, a free 2-week trial subscription is available. The well-known market breadth indicator, the Nasdaq McClellan Summation Index, rose 144 points for the 8th rise in 18 weeks. At a positive 88.77 points, it continues below all 8 tops above plus 100 and above all 7 bottoms below minus 100 in the last 3 years. Market gauge volume analysis. In this week's volume analysis, all indexes ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode. In the last 2 weeks, the Nasdaq 100 Trust had 0 accumulation days and 0 distribution days. Of the other indexes, both the Diamonds Trust and the S&P 500 Deposit Receipts ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode. Accumulation days are counted when the index closes up on higher volume than the prior market day, while distribution days occur when the index closes down on volume higher than the prior market day. Last week also, the Nasdaq 100 Trust ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode. Momentum. 1 week ago, at Tuesday, February 10 close, the CCI 20 Daily had 6 consecutive days above zero for a change in Woodie's trend. Although it has declined for the week at 144.60, it continues outside the range for a valid Woodie's zero-line reject signal. In Woodie's CCI trading system, 6 consecutive bars above or below zero are required for a change of trend. The weekly CCI 20 of the Nasdaq Composite Index began a Woodie's uptrend 31 weeks ago, while the daily CCI 20 began a Woodie's uptrend 1 week ago. With the CCI 20 weekly at 159.47, rising from last week, we continue in the trade begun after the Friday 123 close, zero-line reject entry signal. We will continue following the result of this trade simulation in next week's commentary. Industry rotation the last 2 weeks. All of the top 5 industries are positive, and 3 of the bottom 5 are negative. Bullish, comp tech, and computer hardware have entered the top 5. Semis and networkers continue in the top 5. Gold and silver continues in and leads the bottom 5. Oil services has entered the bottom 5. Bearish, REITs continues in the bottom 5. Brokers and banks have left the top 5. Focus this week from ZeroHedge.com. The liquidity glut springs eternal. Global central bank easing quadruples in 2015. From the article, thanks to global disinflationary pressures driven by the savings glut, an oil glut and universally high debt levels crushing the transmission mechanisms of textbook economists, central planners have gone full eased hard in 2015. From a balanced 10 easing, 9 tightening basis, 1-to-1 in December, Morgan Stanley illustrates in the following chart there are now 16 central banks easing and only 4 with a tightening bias. As it appears, the one-trick pony brigade are trying more of what didn't work the first, second, and last times in an effort to prove this time is different. With so many central planners piling up in the lower left corner and global growth expectations crashing, when, oh when, does the world wake up to smoke and mirrors they have been witnessing and, as Marc Faber recently warned, lose faith in central bank omnipotence? Thank you for tuning in for this week's Sand to Pearls Stock Market Commentary, compiled by Donald Pearl, www.s2pmarketsignal.com. Hoping that you are enjoying a peaceful and pleasant weekend, that you're looking forward to a great week coming up, and wishing you true success.